Well, it's been a while since my last update on the Corsa. I did say the last time, I don't know if you remember, that the engine was scrap. It had a top end rattle in it, and it's going to need replaced. So I've been working on it 6 months now, just doing about an hour a week, disconnecting all the wiring, plumbing, everything, and then my friends Neil and John, check out Neil's channel if you have time. It's Fugatti Motors, that's FU''Gutty Motors. He's also got a WordPress blog as well, check that out if you've got time. They both came along and gave me that final piece of help to take the engine out. So the engine is now out, thank goodness for that. So that is a big weight off my shoulders. That engine is gone. Well, it's gone as far as over there. So what we've done is this engine I bought last July, and we took off all the known good parts from the scrap engine over there and fitted them to this engine. So this engine is now completely built up. It's a bare engine when I bought it. It had no ancillaries at all other than like manifold and exhaust manifold and a seat alternator. So we've replaced all of that, fitted all the known good parts and sensors, everything from the scrap engine, and it's now ready to be fitted. All I did the last piece tonight, and that was fit the new clutch. So I fitted a new clutch to it. There's a bit of a delay. I had to wait for flywheel bolts because a bit of a dilemma whether or not to reuse the old ones or not. So jury was out on that one, but my son, among other people, is going to be in the car, and his foot will be pretty much where the flywheel is going to be. So I just thought for 20 quid, get new bolts and I won't have to think about it again. So new bolts in with a bit of Loctite and torqued them up. Don't need to worry about it again. The old clutch isn't too bad. It's probably got, Neil reckoned it had about 15,000 miles left on it maybe. It's a bit low in some of the rivet points, but while it's out, I thought I would just go ahead and replace the whole thing. There's a new release bearing there as well, ready to go in. So the only two pieces of work that the car will need, that, let's get the light, that I can't do myself, but it won't stop the engine project going in, is there is, where is it now? There's a brake hose somewhere down there. Yeah, it's looking a bit surly. Going to get that seen to. Pretty decent access, it just goes out the wheel arch, so that's fine. Quite a bit of corrosion, all surface, so I've hammer-righted that, and I've got stone chips sitting there to go on. There's one piece requiring a patch just there that I've left the paint off. It's a double skinned or triple skinned piece, so it just needs a tiny wee patch at the bottom there. I'll chalk that up for the MOT station. Other than that, a lot of heavy surface corrosion. You can see some of the bits there on the floor, but no holes other than that, so that was good. So don't need to do anything else there. So the engine's now ready to go back in. So hopefully the next video I take of the Corsa will be the car running. So jobs to do after it's fitted, just got the release bearing to do first before we put the engine in. Jobs to do after it's fitted is wire it up, plumb it in, fit the battery tray, fit the battery, radiator back on, and we'll then see if it starts. I would like to also replace the dipstick tube in this. I think it's still oil tight, but it's just, actually it's not as slack as I thought. I might just leave that. Either way, the one in that engine is perfect, so I'm going to take it out. I'll drop the sump, take it out. Looking forward to getting this back on the road in the summer and ready for the shows. See you later.